Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So I'm starting my weekend vlog off here, but before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to Curlyme hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So they sent me over a 13x4 Mongolian loose deep frontal wig. It is 250% density. I have had this hair before when I went to Orlando. I've told you guys that this is my flirty hair. I decided to do the side part. I don't have any product on it, so this is the natural curl and I love it. Look at these curls, love it. So this is 26 inches, so it is pretty long. So I will have my discount code along with all the details on this hair in the description box below. So y'all, I just made myself a margarita. I'll have the link to the lights in the description box. It's so good. Well, I don't know if it's coming up on camera or not, but let me turn off the lights so you guys can see how the lights look. This is it. So like I said, check the description box and I'll have the link to these. So I'm getting ready to make some shrimp, and Ryan told me to try this. It says hot right here. I don't like my seafood too spicy, but he said that the flavor was really good, so he gave me what he had left. So I'm gonna give it a try and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. I'm not too sure where he picked this up from. Probably like a seafood spot on his side of town, but I'll let you guys know. Okay y'all, so today is Sunday. Quick update on the seafood, what was that, like seafood boil seasoning. It was really good. If you guys know, I do not like spicy seafood at all, but I don't mind a little bit of spice, but I just don't like the have your nose running type spice. So that was really good. The only thing about it is I don't think that's like a worldwide seafood seasoning. So if you guys are in Jacksonville, you can try what's the spot? I think it's called like Duval Seafood, where they sell like seafood trays. They sell live crabs, snow crabs, oysters, all that stuff. They have it there. So just rewind the video, screenshot it if you want to try it. It's really good. I liked it. I actually want some more today. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the mall because little Tony is getting his ears pierced today. So he's been wanting it done for a while, but y'all know he was playing football, so we didn't want to get his ears pierced while he was doing that because of the healing process and all of that. So we're gonna go get that done today.
smile. What? That brighten up your day.
Okay, y'all, so we're back from the store. Tony got his ears pierced. He loves the way that they look, and it was so funny because he fell asleep when we was in the car, so that's why he was looking crazy. That lady woke him up. So Tony's getting ready to throw some stuff on the grill, but I think he went to put some gas in all the cars. I'm getting ready to make some detox juice because I need to hurry up and do it because this pineapple is getting a little too ripe. So I'm gonna do that. The same one that you guys seen the last time that I told you that I got from TikTok. I just boil the skin, and the water from the skin is what I use to blend everything together. So I'm just gonna do the pineapple, ginger, lemon, and what else do I use? Pineapple, ginger, lemon, and I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna make that detox drink today, and I really love the green juice. Like, y'all know I like drinking green juice anyway, so making my own just make me feel so healthy. So this is all I have left, but I don't have any vegetables that I could use to make more, so I'll probably just go to the store tomorrow or something and make some more. But I'm gonna finish this juice up and make my other detox drink, and that'll be it. So I had ordered a few new things from Amazon. I was hoping that they were going to get here before I ended the vlog, but they're still not here. It is 12 o'clock, so maybe I'll show y'all on the next video if I remember. And y'all don't forget to check out my Amazon account. The link is in the description box. I put a lot of new cute things on there, home decor, kitchen things, like kitchen accessories and stuff like that. So y'all make sure that y'all check that link out in the description box, along with my Like to Know It app. I also added some stuff on there. You might have to download the app. It is free. I usually try to put everything on my Like to Know It as far as like furniture and different things like that. I recently started adding like outfits. Don't forget to check those links that I put in the description box for you. So this is what I had left from my green juice, so I'm getting ready to finish this off and make more. Cheers. The last time I made my detox juice, I didn't show you guys what I use to drain it. This is called a nut milk bag. I'll have the link in the description box for you guys, but it just removes like the pulp, so you're just getting, you know, just the juice. So I just put it in this bag and just, you know, squeeze it, and yeah, that's how I make my juice. Okay, so one of my Amazon packages came in the mail. I wanted to just share them with you guys. So I got some gold medal straws. So it comes in a set of 12. They have the short ones and the longer ones. So yeah. They also have the straight ones and then the one that has like a little curve. They were so cute. The gold ones. I think I did put this on my Amazon store. I'm not too sure, but if not, I'll have the link to these in the description box. And then I saw these really pretty glasses when I was adding stuff to my Amazon store, and I had to have these. They're so pretty. Okay. So this is the first one. It looks something like my cup that I got from Crate & Barrel. But it's like this. Y'all know I love a rib detailing, and then it kind of like sits to the side like this. It's just so cute. I love this. So pretty. So I got this one, and let me hold on. Okay, here is the second one. Look at this. So cute. And these are little whiskey glasses. I don't drink whiskey, but y'all know I like making cute little cocktails. So these are perfect. I really like this one the most because I already have a glass like this one, but they came in a set, so I just said, well, why the hell not? But this is just, it's so cute, right? I love this. And the reason that I bought the metal straws, y'all know I do have like the glass straws, but they do sometimes break and I have to replace them. So I said, well, let me just try out the metal straws. Tony used the metal straws a lot. He has the silver ones, so I decided to get the gold ones. And I love them. So cute. All right, y'all, so now I'm in the kitchen. I told y'all that Tony is, you gonna say hey?
What's up with you?
I told y'all that Tony's doing some stuff on the grill, so I'm making the sides. So right now I'm doing the baked beans. I'm doing some macaroni and cheese, but not baked macaroni and cheese. My son is over here. My boys, they don't like baked macaroni and cheese. Well, my oldest son, he likes baked macaroni and cheese, but he prefers just like the shells and cheese. So that's what I'm doing. It's less work for me. So I'm doing that, some baked beans, and what else? Baked beans, macaroni and cheese. Tony's making steak, chicken, ribs. I was gonna do some deviled eggs, but my son is not answering his phone and we don't have any mayo left. So, and then we'll probably do like some corn on the cob. So I'll show y'all all of that once it's done.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got